One of the things that I would say is a hallmark of your approach is that you're politely persistent. And I would love to know how you can be kind and yet just keep pushing until you get to the point where you're driving back 3 times, or the carrier is actually making the phone call and that next layer is getting involved. However it is, because it shows up in your mediations now in the same way that it showed up in your cases. I think it's a superpower of yours. And so to the extent that you can share with others how you develop that, or whether it's just born.
I think it was just born. You're right, though. I think everything does go back to maybe childhood. And when I was born, I had some sort of knock-kneed issue. And so I physically had braces all the way up my leg for when I was a little girl, I believe before elementary school. And that did not deter me. I still went out and played. I was told I would never run. I ran a marathon after law school. You know, I'm a cyclist and skier. So I think that gave me the determination, the grit to persevere. And that has never left. So I think one thing I'd love to see young lawyers do is bring back more civility in the law. I think you can be a very aggressive and firm lawyer, but do so with kindness and in a polite way. And that's what I always try to do. With that expert, for example, that I had to go back to 3 times, I was very civilized about it. I just paid the money, scheduled it, and came back each time. And then as he would not answer the questions, I'd wait. And then I would say, Dr. So-and-so, we need to talk about this and get this answered. And it might take 5, 6, 7 times before I got that answer. So it's good to persist.